everyone, it's my birthday. Let's see what I'm having for dinner tonight with my family, Hibachi style. Guys, it's my birthday and I'm out for my birthday. Look, he's making the look at that. He's gonna light the fire.
Right. Yeah, look at this now. Look at this now. Ooh. Look at this now, you know.
Fire, fire,
Hey,
fire.
happy
Hey,
birthday
to you.
Happy birthday to you.
Whoa.
Birthday. Happy
Guys, it's my birthday. I'm home. Turn up my I've been right here. Now we're doing the noodles and vegetables. Look at that. That's my drink. That's nice. Guys, take a look at this. Fried rice, noodles, vegetables. Waiting for the
Yeah.
That's all this stuff.
Let me know. How do I?
That's my lobster. Here. Look at that, guys. Lobster tail.
Huh?
Guys, look at my plate already. Wow. Guys, now look at my plate. Got lobster tail here. And you have shrimp over here. You have that little sauce. Look at my plate. And we're not even finished yet. So, let me eat my birthday dinner. So, check out my birthday dinner plate. I have beef, chicken, lobster, shrimps, fried rice, noodles, and vegetables. And guys, I'm drinking my passion tea. My son is having that. Patrick is having salmon. So that's my birthday dinner. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Guys, I'm eating my birthday cake. Look at me. And it's cheesecake. Anyone like my hat? So after the birthday dinner, guys, look at all these gifts. I don't think I can open all these gifts tonight. Look at this. We have 1 here, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. Let me show you. 5 boxes on this chair. We have here, we have here, we have here, we have here, we have here. Oh my God.
Look.
This here, so many gifts, guys. So many gifts. Look at this. Look at this. I don't think I can open all of these gifts tonight, guys. Another card. Oh my Lord. Another box. So guys, stay tuned. What's this? Oh, this one is heavy. this one over here. This over here. This. Look at this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 boxes. I'm not gonna open all these boxes. So thank you all for supporting me, and thanks for all the birthday wishes. The family them want me to open some of the gifts. So let's start. These are small gifts. So let's start with this. Jesus, we can't open this one. We can't open this one, so this one gonna stay. But let me start with this. This is how you unbox the gifts then, guys. Oh. So in this one, I think this is a shoes or a sneakers and a blouse. This one over there.
This is fancy,
This is some small items. This must be some. I think this is another shoes. Ooh.
I must be all sorry.
Yes, this is a shoes, guys. I'm not gonna take them home. I don't know what's in this, but this is one box. This is another. And this one, put this over there for me, please. This is another. So many boxes, guys. And look at this. Wow. Put that over there. So this is one more box. Wow. Look at this. So let me open another box. I'm gonna hold on. Ooh. So this into a box. Oh, it's two things. Wow. So I have to open this box now. Patrick got this one for me. Look what it says. Read it. Read it.
I love you beyond words and beyond imagination. You put a smile on my face and love in my heart. Thank you for being a great woman, even on the days I fail to be a better man. For making me laugh and even times when I don't want to smile. I promise that I love you throughout life, ups and downs, you and me, always and before.
And this is another gift he got me. I don't know what's in this. I'm gonna open this one. Wow, read what he say. This one is from Patrick again.
Every love story is beautiful, but ours is my favorite.
So open it, open it. Ooh. A rose. Oh, what else? What is?
This is a stand to put it on our paper.
Oh, take it up for me. Thank you, Patrick. I mean, time is going, so I have to open another gift. Wow, these are chocolate. Oh, that's pretty. So here's one more gift to open. Oh, I'm gonna open this one. best gift just for you. Who sent this? Will this be? There's another something else inside. Oh my Lord. And I think this is from my son, one of his gifts. Wow. And then this one. Yes. So guys, this is another gift from my daughter. A card. This one. Oh Lord. And this is from a subscriber. We got candles. Yes, in the back. And a spray. So this one is the last one to open. Oh, what is this? Oh, what is so big? There's two things in it. Ooh, wow. See? I know this is from my daughter.
Cut this. There's a mug.
Ooh, and look at this. The gifts. Just want to say thanks to my families and thanks to my friends and all who support me by sending me birthday gifts and birthday wishes. Thank you all. Thank you guys. I'm really and truly blessed to have you all in my life. Thanks. See you in the next video. Remember to like, share, and subscribe. Out. Peace and blessings.